SEO, backlinks, graphic design, web, development, and social media. Today's video is a game changer. Whether you're a beginner or running a channel, learn the key to ranking your videos higher on YouTube. Video editing practice for YouTube. If you're wondering how to make a video, this guide is your answer. Get ground-level knowledge and expert tips. Don't miss this chance. Grab your notepad, list video ideas, and learn editing skills to take your content using an incognito browser for unbiased results. Don't know how? Open Chrome, tap the three dots on the top right, and select Incognito Mode, second option. Now, search your topic, for example, video making ideas. Note down the best suggestions in your notepad and search topics from the browser. Next, type your desired topic into ChatGPT. For example, I'm prompting video making ideas. Describe what you need, and ChatGPT will craft a title, description, tags, and keywords. Note them all. And as I done, now for step 2. Upload your video, paste the title, select the necessary options, and follow my sample guide. Reminder: before publishing, paraphrase all copied content except tags and keywords, using AI to make it human-like. Perfect your video, save it as private or unlisted. Next, head to YouTube Studio to edit. On the title page, add powerful keywords, use maximum impact. For example, my title: Video Editing and Uploading Tips. Keywords: creativity and grow your channel. On-page SEO tasks: use the same keywords in your title, description, and tags for better reach. Need clips? Go back to ChatGPT and ask for ideas on your topic. Great news! You can ask in your regional language too. Simplify your process and create engaging content languages. Ask it to write in your regional language. Copy the content and use tools like Flykey Video Maker. I'll cover Flykey in my next video, so subscribe and stay tuned. Now, let's dive in. Watch one of my videos. Let's focus on the crucial part: your page setup and SEO. For SEO and backlink tips, check our playlist or the I button. Use the same keywords in your title, description, and tags for better reach. Need clips? Go back to ChatGPT and ask for ideas on your topic. Great news! You can ask in your regional language too. Simplify your process and create engaging content languages. Ask it to write in your regional language. Copy the content and use tools like Flykey Video Maker. I'll cover Flykey in my next video, so subscribe and stay tuned. Now, let's dive in. Watch one of my videos. Let's focus on the crucial part.
Mastering YouTube Video Upload, a step-by-step guide. Ever wondered how to effectively upload videos to YouTube and grab viewers' attention? Get ready to transform your uploads into engaging and optimized content. Start by creating or logging into your YouTube account. Ensure your channel is set up with a catchy banner and logo. These elements should reflect your niche, making your channel inviting and easy to remember. Before hitting upload, prepare your video. Compress it to the recommended file format, MP4 for best quality retention. Create a custom thumbnail that's vibrant and relevant to your content, as this is often the first impression for potential viewers. Click the camera icon to upload. While the video is processing, enter an engaging title. Use keywords for better searchability, but keep it concise. In the description, elaborate on your video content with links and tags to maximize discoverability. Choose appropriate privacy settings, public for a wide audience or unlisted for sharing with select individuals. Add subtitles for broader accessibility. Utilize end screens and cards to promote other content, retaining viewers longer on your channel. Engagement doesn't end with the upload. Prompt viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments to build community and encourage more interaction. This helps increase your video's visibility and reach. Ready to dominate the YouTube platform? Start uploading videos now with these insights, turning views into subscribers and engagement. Subscribe today for more expert tips and elevate your content game.
Your page setup and SEO. For SEO and backlink tips, check our playlist or the I button. Download TubberD and SEO tools from the Play Store, connect them to your YouTube channel, and track your video's performance. Aim for 80% plus status on search for text to audio AI and choose your desired voice artist. You can even clone your own voice, though it's paid. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to connect with us. Feel free to ask anything you need videos on what is SEO, backlinks, how they work, and setup tips. Our next video will cover voice over creation, SEO, backlinks, and social media optimization. Stay tuned. Subscribe to Mishra Techs and thanks for watching the full video with us.